Look, assuming you can play the style that they want to have played, and assuming you're a reasonable human being who can show up on time and take direction, do I need to put that in capital letters? And take direction? Like when the conductor says, hey, can you make that a little softer on the tom? Well, you just asked me to play it louder. Bad answer. The answer is yes. Yes. There's only one answer. Yes. You have to have a lot of empathy for these people. They're under a lot of pressure themselves. But in terms of the DNA of the experience, let's say you're doing a show and it's about Sly and the Family Stone, okay? And it's not on a click. You got to be able to figure out the conducting, because it is a show, and like you said, grooving, 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 grooving. All of a sudden, the grooving stops, and we're into this little moment of something, film score, bizarro land. You got to be able to follow these guys. So you got to have the two skills. You got to be able to, lay down that groove, but also be willing and talented enough to move when they need to move and make it sound seamless and do it with love and not bitterness. You know, that's a big deal, man. Big, big, big deal.